Namaste and welcome, beautiful people, once again to Disha Soul Search. And as always, today also we will talk about an issue which we all face in our daily lives and how we can correct this particular situation or rather change our approach towards this situation permanently. We will see that. We all know energy is contagious, right? Positive ho ya negative ho, both. The way you feel good in some people's company, you may just feel very tired or very drained out in some other's company. So what to do? How do you understand whom you should be with and whom to keep a distance with? And what else if that energy sucker is your husband, your wife, your brother, your sister, or maybe your father, your mother, your bestie, or anybody who is very close to you whom you really love? What will you do? Throw that person out of your life? Nahi na? You still have to live and share space with that person all the time because you just simply love that person. So what is the solution to this? Solution to this is energy handle these situations in your life. Protect your energy space, which will help you to be in a safe zone where you don't drain out, or moreover, help that other person come out of that negative vibe zone without judgments and without hurting your relationship. Sounds good, right? And do you want to learn more about this? Then you need to come and join our signature 3 days residential intensive, the Soul Legacy Intensive. Yes, this time it's going to be residential in Lonavla on 29th, 30th and 31st March 2024. For more details, please do connect with us with the numbers given below in the description box. You need to give this gift to yourself and I think live a happy life permanently by resolving a few energy issues and rather handling your life more energetically than normal way that you normally do. You really need to energy handle your life. So if you need to learn the techniques, you need to be with Disha in the Soul Legacy 29th, 30th and 31st of March, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, residential intensive in Lonavla this time. Namaste. See you all soon.